Namaste. Today we will see how to get rid of mealybugs. So what are these mealybugs? They are the white pests covered with wax coating. They live in clusters and feed on the new growth of the plant, suck their juices and doesn't allow them to grow. They live in the roots of the plants too. They thrive more in warm and humid climate. The problem with them is that they reproduce very fast and spread quickly from one plant to another. And they excrete honeydew, which attracts other pests and molds towards them. Also the ants and the aphids. So this plant I have of tuberose is highly infested with mealybugs, probably due to my neglect. So what to do now? The first step is to segregate the plant. Keep it away from other plants, preferably in the area where you don't have any plant. If the plant has few mealybugs, then pruning and destroying the cuttings is the better option. This will reduce the load of mealybugs on the plant, but you still have to work on destroying rest of the mealybugs. If the plant is highly infested like this plant, better you get rid of the plant by burning it. Next is use of 70% alcohol. You can instantly remove mealybugs with swab dipped in 70% alcohol. It removes its wax coating and kills them instantly. But don't forget to wash your plant you treated with water, as alcohol may damage the plant. You can see how easily they can be removed with the swab and getting killed instantly. But you can use this method only for small infestations. You cannot use it on the whole plant. So the next is to wash the plant thoroughly with water jet spray. It dislodges the mealybugs from their site, and then you have to treat the plant with a solution which can remove the wax layer from them, dehydrate them, and prevents them from further sticking to the plant. So how to prepare that solution? For that, we need 5 ml of neem oil, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2.5 ml of any hand wash or dishwash liquid soap, to be mixed with 1 liter of water. So when we spray this solution on the plant, you can see the wax coating of the mealybugs is getting removed and they are becoming bare. They also start falling off when we wash them with this solution. Give a thorough wash from tip to the base of the plant. Let the solution soak the whole soil of the plant and drain out through the holes. It's not like that you get rid of all the mealybugs by spraying the solution once. You have to repeat it every 3 days till you get rid of them. This is how it looks after 3 days. You can see the mealybugs died, dehydrated. The number is reduced markedly. There are few new mealybugs seen on the plant, so I'll again repeat the same solution one more time. Then it is repeated every 7 days for 4 weeks, because the life cycle of mealybugs is about 30 days. So you can get rid of them completely. Do try this method and let me know your results in the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. It motivates me to make more such videos. And do press the bell icon. Thank you.